Here comes Molly down for Christmas. Oh my gosh. Look at all those presents. How did those get there?
Santa. Mom.
Well, they're not all for you.
And mine.
No, we don't know that. We'll have to look at the names on there. Do you see Molly on there? Oh, it does say Molly? Wait. Be patient. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm. You open it?
I don't know. Is Mommy coming down?
I'm right here.
Okay. Go ahead and open it.
A Loopy truck, I think. I told ya. Loopy truck.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what is it?
A Loopy Loops.
Lala Loopsy truck? Oh my gosh.
It's like a school bus. Okay, well we're gonna open some stuff now.
Okay.
This is for me?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. See.
Say bye everybody.
Bye, everybody.
We'll see you after.
We see you after.